Have you ever tried accessing an app, game, or website only to find out it's unavailable in your region? Whether it's streaming content, online games, or region-specific apps, geo-restrictions can be frustrating. That's where a VPN comes in. Today, I'll be showing you guys UFO VPN, a free VPN available on iPhone, Android, Windows, and Mac that helps you browse privately and access content from different regions around the world. So getting started is simple. Just install the UFO VPN app on the App Store. And once you guys have done that, just open up the app here and then just give it permission for your location. And also, I would recommend sending notifications as well. And now you guys can just click on agree and continue. And now you guys can see the interface here. All you need to do is just choose a server location by clicking on the fastest location box here. And then as you guys can see, there is a setting for fastest location and free locations as well. But first we do need to add a VPN configuration. So just click allow here, put in your passcode, and just let it load a bit. It takes some time on the very first connection. And as you guys can see, the VPN has been connected. So if we just click on the locations here, there is a fastest location that you guys can choose. There are free locations that you guys can choose as well. And you guys can also choose things like high speed right over here, and it just tells you the speed amount here. So the ones like Mexico City are 15x speed, and not to mention all of these servers over here. So you have India, United States, Indonesia, Germany, Australia, Iraq, Greece, and just so many different countries that you guys can choose from. But do note that this is for premium users. But if you guys do not have premium, then you guys can just go to free over here. So let's say, for example, I want to go to the United States and I want to do Atlanta here. So if I connect to Atlanta here, and now exit off of here, and now if I search up what's my IP, as you guys can see, my IP has now been rerouted to Atlanta, United States, even though I am in Canada right now. Also, if you guys go back into UFO VPN here, there are even servers for specific video/streaming websites and even games here. So you guys can see here something like Call of Duty has its own servers here specifically for gaming. And all of this is optimized. And you guys can even connect to Roblox servers here and even PUBG servers. And these servers are optimized specifically for these games here, which is something I really do like. Also, you guys can go to video and stream. So you guys can go onto YouTube. You guys can go onto Instagram servers, whichever VPN server is best optimized for Instagram, TikTok, even Netflix as well, and Disney Plus, YouTube. There's just so many different servers that you can choose that are specifically optimized for that app/streaming website itself. Also, you guys may want to watch content on Netflix, Hulu, or Tubi TV, but certain movies and TV shows are only available in specific regions. With a VPN, you guys can connect to a server in a different country and browse as if you're accessing the internet from that location. So if I just go over here, again, my IP is in Atlanta, United States. If I were to go and search up Netflix top 10 here, as you guys can see, only the ones in the United States will be showing for me. So top 10 shows in United States, and everything is right over here. So if I click this here, it'll show me the top 10 shows in United States because again, my server is set to Atlanta. Another feature worth checking out is split tunneling. So I really like this feature. And to access this feature, you guys just have to click on the third box over here. And also it does tell you your IP over here as well, and a bunch of other things that you guys need to do. But first, I do want to check out split tunneling because split tunneling is incredibly useful. It allows you to choose exactly which apps or websites use the VPN and which ones use your regular internet connection. For example, if you guys wanted one app connected through a VPN server while browsing local websites normally, you guys can do that without affecting the rest of your iDevice. This makes it possible to access both global and local content at the same time, which can be incredibly convenient depending on how you use your iDevice. And also, I would like to say that this is a premium feature. Anything that has that orange diamond is a premium feature. So just do keep that in mind. But if I click on skip VPN here, I can even add websites from specific locations. So for example, if I wanted to skip the VPN for all Iranian websites, then I can just click on this here. And now you guys can go to add it and see that all Iran sites will be skipped by my VPN. and then you can just click delete if you guys don't want to. This can also help maintain faster speeds since only the apps you selected are routed through the VPN connection. UFO VPN also includes a kill switch as well. And with this kill switch feature, if the VPN connection unexpectedly drops, kill switch can essentially just cut your internet connection to help prevent your real IP address from being exposed. When it comes to privacy features like this, UFO VPN uses military grade encryption and follows a no logs policy to help keep your browsing activity private and secure, which is why features like kill switch exists. It also does have an built-in ad blocker as well for convenience sake, but again, this is a premium feature, and auto protect as well, which will automatically connect your VPN so you're connected at all times and protected. I also ran a quick speed test while connected to the VPN, and as you guys can see, even with the VPN enabled, my ping is still under 20 milliseconds, which is excellent for gaming, streaming, and everyday browsing. And do note that these speeds aren't even for the fastest server. My internet is 500 megabits per second, and I'm getting about 427 megabits per second, not even on the fastest server. I'm on the Atlantan server here. So if I were to go here and click on the fastest location, I would probably have an even higher speed and even lower latency. Of course, speed can vary depending on your location, internet provider, and which server you choose. But in this test here, the connection is still very fast and responsive, and I'm not even on the fastest server. So what makes UFO VPN one of the best free VPNs available for iPhone, Android, Windows, and Mac? For me, it comes down to a few things. The first thing is that it is incredibly easy to set up and use. You get connected to a server in just a few taps. And secondly, it offers a large selection of global servers with premium. And also you guys have access to free servers as well, giving you access to locations around the world whenever you need them. And then it includes features that you don't always see in VPNs, such as gaming servers, which is something that I really like, split tunneling, which is incredibly useful, kill switch protection, which helps with your privacy, military grade encryption, and even has a built-in ad blocker. Overall, if you guys are looking for a free VPN that's fast, secure, packed with useful features, and easy to use, UFO VPN is definitely worth checking out. Make sure that you guys do click my link in the description down below to download UFO VPN and enjoy your free VPN. So you don't really lose anything, and I would definitely say to download it if you guys need a simple free VPN. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.